G'day guys, my name is Don and you're watching my channel, Don Astronomy. In today's video I'm going to frame one of my prints that I've done. Now, I actually went to a wedding, some close friends of mine, Steve and Libby, well over a year ago now, and I promised them a printed image. And so they come over about 6 months ago and they picked it out. I know I'm really slack because it's taken me so long to get around to doing this. But they picked out the Eagle Nebula, and it was an image I did a couple of years ago in SHO. So I thought, okay, I'll do that. I'm going to print that for them, and when I get all set up, I'm going to frame it up. So it's come that time. I've done that now. I've been making a small little production on, I guess, where I can make 4 frames at a time. Just I guess I want to down the track sell some prints. Why not? You go to all this effort doing them, and also I want to be able to hang prints on my wall as well. So I'll start doing that around my house and making some frames, and then the occasional gifts for friends, and hopefully sell some down the track as well. So this is what today's video is about, and I'm sorry Steve and Libby it's taken so long, but I've finally done it. I'll be around soon to have a beer and deliver your present. Come on, pretty boy. Come on, pretty boy. Oh, who's the pretty boy? Who's the pretty boy then? Who's the pretty boy? Hey? Who's just had a bath? Who's had a bath with the pretty boy? Give me that. Let's go and make some frames, fella.